In this video, our technical analysis for Axie Infinity went to our target exactly as predicted. And take a look at this, guys. We are currently seeing a major Bitcoin consolidation while the dominance is declining. This means that we are going to see a healthy altcoin season movement. And because of that, we'll dive into different altcoins today. Stay tuned to know. Hi guys, and welcome back to another gabscrypto video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So right now, let's look at Bitcoin first. So for Bitcoin, we are actually seeing this major consolidation within this area. And yeah, not much unless magkaroon tayo ng bounce off from this 100 moving average dito sa ating early time frame. So possible na mag-consolidate pa tayo dyan furthermore kay Bitcoin. And yeah, siguro yung kailangan nyo tingnan din dito is the 4-hour time frame kasi the 4-hour time frame, yung kanyang 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is actually acting as a support. So you could see na twice tayo nagkaroon ng support dyan. So right now, that's a good area to watch out for. And yeah, expect more consolidation. Possible na magkaroon tayo ng dip dito. Possible na mag-decline tayo kay Bitcoin if hindi natin masyado na-sustain itong consolidation na yan. Possible na bumalik tayo dito sa 50 moving average. Or worst case scenario, biglang mag-dip siya kasi nagkakaroon din tayo somehow ng bearish divergence dito sa ating shorter time frames. So kung titingnan mo to, may bearish divergence tayo dyan na nag-form. And then yung price natin is also increasing or somehow relatively stable. Pero yan, we are actually seeing this short-term bearish divergence. So possible na mag-reject tayo dyan kay Bitcoin price. But yeah, at least kahit pa paano prepared kayo kung biglang nag-dump yan. So for this consolidation, let's also look at the bigger time frame. So if you're going to see this, meron din tayo actually still na bearish divergence na nagko-continue pa din for the Bitcoin price. So yun, may bearish divergence in the bigger time frame. So ayan, napakalaki niya. So possible tayo mag-dump. Pero right now, I expect more consolidation between this 42K area, 42.4K area up until the 46.7K area. So you expect more consolidation within this area pa rin dito kasi wala pa tayong major move or magkakaroon lang tayo ng move dyan if na-break natin yung 46.7K or if na-break natin to 42.4K, then yeah, doon lang tayo magkakamove kay Bitcoin. So if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame following this Fibonacci, then you would actually still see na meron din tayong consolidation between those area. So ngayon, not much din to talk about with Bitcoin. Pero despite of this, nakikita nyo na Bitcoin is currently consolidating. This means na healthy ito for altcoins. So let's dive into the Bitcoin dominance. Kasi if you're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance, we are currently declining for the dominance. And this would mean na magpapump yung mga altcoins. So balikan natin yung lagi nating sinasabi. Hindi ibig sabihin na dependent yung altcoin kay Bitcoin means kailangan sumaba yung kanyang pump. It means na kailangan mo sundan yung Bitcoin dominance fundamentals. So yung fundamentals nun, pag declining dominance while Bitcoin is consolidating or increasing, then doon tayo makita ng pump sa altcoins. So nakita natin nangyari yung scenario nun ngayon. So with that being said, let's dive into different altcoins. So let's start first with Ethereum. So for Ethereum, meron din tayong ascending triangle na fina-follow. Nag-breakout na siya, pero there's no significant volume na para masabi na we are already pumping to the upside. So possible na magkaroon tayo na resistance with the 3.2K area pa din and mag-decline. So yeah, I don't expect na Ethereum mag-pump kasi wala tayong masyadong volume. Pero ang technical target talaga nito is actually the 3.4K, and if na-break natin yung 3.2K, then 3,350 yung ating next target for Ethereum price. So, ang major support dito is actually this 100 moving average in the early time frame. So, yeah, that's a level to watch out for Ethereum. And not much then to talk about with Ethereum then dito. Let's also look at Cardano. So, for Cardano, namitan natin yung target natin exactly as predicted for the short term following this rising wedge na turns out to be playing out the bullish scenario. Pero for the short term, ito yung kay Cardano. Let's look at the bigger time frame kasi if you have been following this channel for a very long time, itong bigger time frame na to is actually telling us na meron tayong falling wedge. So, falling wedge is a movement somehow like this. And technically, that is a trend reversal pattern to the upside. And if na-break natin itong resistance na to na fina-follow natin ever since, doon tayo makita ng massive pump for Cardano. And look at that. We played that one out exactly as predicted, guys. So, ang technical target nitong falling wedge is actually the top of the wedge, which is the $1.85 area. So, right now we are on that way. So, possible na pag na-touch natin siya, pwede tayo magkaroon ng resistance or somehow consolidation. Kasi look at this, overbought na tayo sa ating RSI. Pero if na-break natin siya, then what would be the next target? So to understand what's the next target, let's try to draw a Fibonacci retracement. So putting this Fibonacci retracement, our next target would actually be the 1.9 US dollar area. So kailangan natin masustain yung 1.9 area, 1.91 to be exact. So if na-sustain natin yung 1.91 dollar area above, then I believe na pwede tayo mag-consolidate between the 1.9 and the 2.15 area with Cardano. So yeah, milestones to watch out for with Cardano is the 1.85 US dollars, 1.91 and 2.15 US dollars. So yeah, possible na mag-reject si Cardano with the 1.85 din kasi yun nga, overbought tayo. Now, for BNB, matagal na tayo hindi natin nabigyan ng update si BNB. So for BNB, ito yung binigay ko sa inyo na update dati na meron din tayong descending triangle. So descending triangle is actually traditionally a bearish move to the downside, pero in times of a bull market, ang nagiging movement nito is yung kanyang bullish scenario. So right now, technical target for BNB is still the 468 US dollars following yung analysis natin dito halos 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago na yata. And ang major resistance na kailangan natin ma-break is the 100 moving average in the daily time frame. Pero right now, nagbe-break na tayo dyan. So possible na mag-pump na tayo up until siguro next target is the 428 US dollar dito. So if na-break natin yung 428, then doon tayo mag-expect na 468. But right now, technical target is the 428 US dollars for the coming term, for the midterm. Siguro yun lang kailangan nyo watch out for BNB dito. And the major support na pwede nyo tingnan dito kay BNB is actually the 200-day moving average and the 100 moving average in the daily time frame. Now, let's look at Axie Infinity naman. Kasi look at this, guys. As what we have been mentioning to you ever since the start, every time nagkakaroon tayo ng bounce with the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, doon tayo makita ng bounce. Kasi tingnan mo to. Nag-touch tayo dito, nagkaroon ng pump. Dito din, nagkaroon ng pump. And look at this. We played that one out exactly as predicted then. So similarly sa historical data natin, nag-play out yung ating analysis for Axie Infinity. So right now, namita natin yung target natin dyan, which is the 68 US dollar area. Axie Infinity is right now playing between the 68 and the 77 US dollar area. So possible na mag-play out tayo dyan. Pero if hindi natin sustain tong level, then I believe pwede tayo mag-play between this area of $52 up until the 68 US dollar. So right now, overbought na si Axie Infinity. So this is a good take profit area na. Pwede pa ba humabalik kay Axie Infinity? No, I don't think so. Masyado na overbought and I would not chase this pump. As what we have been telling you, patience lang talagang kalaban nyo. And if you have been patient enough during this consolidation and reaccumulation phase, then nasabayan nyo tong for sure itong massive pump na yan. So right now, I don't expect for Axie Infinity to pump anymore for the coming short term kasi nakita natin yung pump na inabangan natin. So yeah, time to take profit. And this video is more about taking profits rather than entering the position kasi tapos na yung pumps na nakita natin yung mga pumps nangyari na. Now, let's look at SLP naman. For SLP, we are actually getting this major resistance na. So, we are now actually testing this strong resistance and we are about to flip bullish for SLP in the short term or somehow kay midterm. So, right now, for SLP, in order to flip bullish, kailangan natin ma-break yung kanyang 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, if na-break natin si 100 moving average, yun tayo mag-flip bullish. Pero if hindi, somehow consolidation or bearish pa din tayo kay SLP. So, major support na kailangan nyo tingnan is the 19 cents area. And siguro somehow pag nag-consolidate pati siya dito further at nagkaroon ng breakout dyan sa 100 moving average, siguro dun tayo makita ng pump. Pero if nag-pump siya, ang next target natin dito is actually the 24 cents area. And if na-break natin yung 24 cents area, then of course 28 or 29 cents area na yung target natin for SLP. Now, on top of that, you need to also watch for the SLP to Ethereum dominance. Kasi look at this, if we are above the 200 moving average in the early time frame kay SLP to Ethereum, that would mean na bullish tayo kay SLP in the coming days. So, nakita natin siya nag-play out doon. So, and previously, ganun din yung nangyari kay SLP kasi we are above the 200 moving average in the Ethereum dominance. So, ganun din yung kailangan niya mangyari ngayon. So, kailangan natin mag-flip above this 100 moving average or 200 moving average pala in the early time frame para mag-flip tayo bullish kay SLP. Pero right now, hindi pa natin siya na-break. So, hindi pa tayo bullish as of now kay SLP. Pero yun, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na oversold siya, yun yung best time to buy SLP. Sana nakabili kayo nun. And right now, siguro, I believe SLP can now continue to the upside if na-break natin nga yung mga ating resistance. Siguro, good buying opportunity pa din siya. Pero regarding selling, it's not a good time to sell pa for SLP. If I were you, abangan ko talaga mangyari itong SLP to Ethereum chart na ma-break niya yung kanyang 200 moving average. Kasi pag na-break natin yan, for sure dun tayo bullish kay SLP. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.